Hey guys, so welcome to Digit.in, and now we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now this is a device that's ideally perfect for people who don't really care about selfies but want a smaller form factor for their smartphones, and of course the trade-off being a slightly smaller battery, and you don't get the front-facing depth camera. Now let's just quickly unbox the phone and see what you actually get on the inside. Samsung's flagship devices do have a pretty standard set of things that they provide in the box. Of course, this is going to be the phone. We expect on the inside to see a Tpu case, the Akg Earphones. So let's just see what's inside now. This is the phone, and the color we've gotten is the black variant of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Then alongside that, you have the bundled fast charger. You've got the OTG converter, there's the USB Type-C cable, and the Akg tuned earphones. Now what is interesting is we got the Prism White variant of the S10 Plus, and inside the box the charger, the cable, the earphones were all white, and now we have the Prism Black variant of the S10, and all the accessories correspond to the black color. So that's pretty interesting. The TPU case, let's just quickly take a look at that, what kind it is. And it's a standard transparent TPU case. Nothing really special over here, but it's good to have one of these in the box. So that's a quick look at what you get inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy S10. We're of course going to be putting it through our suite of tests and letting you know whether this phone is worth your money or not. So thank you guys for watching this video, and stay tuned for more coverage of the Samsung Galaxy S10.
For the latest technology updates, subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.